Let's look at this picture. On the left-hand side where it says before the turn, if you look at the picture, both rear tires are flat on the ground. That's normal when you're going straight. Now look at the right side picture. See how the chassis is twisting like a rubber band? That's the magic. The inside rear tire lifts up just a tiny bit, only 1 or 2 inches, and that lets the kart rotate super smooth. Remember, your kart has a solid rear axle. Both wheels have to spin at the same speed. If the inside tire stayed down, it would drag and slow you down. But because the chassis flexes, the inside tire comes up and the kart turns like it's on rails. Now check out these 2 pictures of a kart, and this explains what is happening during a left turn. See right here where the inside rear tire lifts just a little bit? And right here where the outside rear tire stays planted. That planted tire is where all your grip comes from. The chassis flex and the axle flex work together. They lift the inside tire so the kart can rotate on 3 tires instead of fighting all 4. A good example of this when you're fighting all 4 tires on the ground, have you ever tried pushing your kart on the ground in the pits when the steering wheel's turned and it's super hard to push? That's why you want your inside tire to be off the ground just a little bit through the whole corner. The same thing happens in a right turn, just the other side lifts. Outside tire stays planted, inside tire comes up, chassis flexes, and you turn easy again. Cool, right? Now let's talk about why that lifted tire is actually your friend. Because of heat. Look at this one. When you're in a left corner, the left rear tire is off the ground, so it stays cool. But the right rear tire, the outside one, is working really hard and it gets super hot. That heat is awesome. Hot tires stick better. Here's the whole story in one big picture. Cold tire equals low grip, hard rubber. Hot tire equals great grip, soft rubber. See the 4 stages? We want stage 4, optimal heat, maximum grip, fastest corner speed. How do you build that heat? By sliding a little in the corner, driving hard and turning smooth. This picture shows the exact temperatures. Too cold and no grip. Just right is the best grip. Too hot and the grip drops off. So remember, heat is your friend, but not too much. Now the most important part, how you actually turn the kart. Look at the left side. It's good, 1 smooth turn. The inside rear tire stays lifted, kart rotates on 3 tires, and a fast exit. But look at the right side. It's bad. He's turning twice. Inside tire touches down early, tire scrub, slow exit. You want 1 smooth turn. That's a fast kart. Turning twice, that's a sad kart. This last big picture puts it all together. On your entry, you want to carry speed in. Good smooth turn. Inside rear tire stays up just a little through the whole corner, and it's a fast exit. Bad is turning in twice, and the inside tire comes down too early, and the kart slows down. Remember, smooth is fast.